Morning guys, July 15th, 2022. Just when I got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with his AC. He called me like 6 times today. Finally called him back and I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on. He says the outside unit's not running, so maybe it's something simple. I'm not sure if I worked for him before or not. Seemed like he knew me, so I don't know. Maybe. Haunting me, Molly. He's haunting me. And stop a Goodman. What's going on? I guess we'll find out, won't we? Look, capacitor looks puffy. Looks puffy to me. Capacitor looks puffed. Yeah, she's not starting, so the capacitor's gotta be replaced. She looks a little on the puffy side, Mama. She's puffed. Yeah, it was puffy. And we got there 45.5. Well, we got there the fan. The fan is the 2-post, which is the brown. Arm is the yellow. Pneumatic yellow. It should be the 3-pole. And then the common was the purple and the yellow. That should do it. We'll put our disconnect in and fire it up. See what happens. This connects back in. What do you think? Go. Houston, we have ignition. Put the cover back on. We should be good to go. What happens when it gets hot out, capacitors die. That's how it is. And it's all life in the big city. In the big city. See how it's rocking and rolling there? Good.